Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically expand your cosmetic inventory in Grey Garden using shekels. So you are going to go to the shop area and you'll see cosmetics here. So if you scroll down under the pets, you'll see cosmetics, and you can actually add in the extra placement slots as well as the extra inventory slots. So +5 is 1 billion, and then another is 2 billion, 4 billion, 8 billion, 16 billion, 32 billion, 64. I'm just gonna go all out here. Okay, that's the max. And that is the max. So 20 extra is the max for it, for both placement and space in your inventory. And that is pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.